This is the tricep machine, and so it's going to work the back of your upper arm right here. So a lot of those muscles you need to push yourself up out of a chair. If you're using a chair with arms, this is the machine that will work that. So to adjust the seat, just like most of the upper body machines, you're going to lift the seat and slide it and lock it into place on the number that's the correct number for you. Again, the seat is a little narrow, so just be prepared when you sit down. So you're going to sit down. Your feet may not touch the ground. That's okay. We want you to be able to comfortably reach and grab these handles. So the plus button is on the right side. The minus button is on the left side. So we're just going to adjust the resistance a little bit. With this one, you're just going to sit up nice and tall, push your arms down, and then control back up. So you just want to keep those elbows pointing back, and then control that weight down and up. Another important one to remember about this one is you just want to stay up nice and tall. You don't want to feel like you need to bend down and push the weight down. So you want to keep those shoulder blades on that back pad, and you're just really moving the arms for this one. Again, 12 to 15 is our magic number. So you should feel like you need a little break when you get to that number 12 to 15.